Hi Racker friends, it's Kelly from the Otter Room, and today we're going to learn all about birds. You are going to be able to identify them. I brought my bird call book. It's written by Frank Gallo. He's the author, and it's illustrated by Lori Lostowetter. If the author writes the words, what do you think the illustrator does? If you thought that they draw the pictures, you'd be right. Let's get started. I show up in the spring with my reddish breast and like to pull worms from the ground. What bird am I? It's the American robin. I look like a stone hidden on the ground and can fool you to keep my babies safe. What bird am I? It's the killdeer. And remember, it says, killdeer, killdeer. My feathers have stripes and I hunt at night as I silently fly through the woods. What bird am I? It's the barred owl. I like to dance and kick in the leaves and add soft hair to my nest. What bird am I? It's the eastern towhee. I wear bright feathers of cherry red and like to sing a cheery song. What bird am I? It's the northern cardinal. I'm friendly, curious, and rather small, and I wear a black cap on my head. What bird am I? It's the black-capped chickadee. And remember, it says chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. I live in marshes and show red patches on my shoulders when I fly. What bird am I? It's the red-winged blackbird. Do you see the red wing on the black bird? That's a great clue. I'm plump and round and live on the ground in fields and farms and meadows. What bird am I? It's the northern bobwhite. And remember, it says bobwhite. We just identified a lot of birds. Good job. Bye.